I'm tracking two cold fronts, one on the way for Sunday, the next one that could create some issues for the Thanksgiving holiday. Meantime, here's a pleasant look at your Saturday forecast. After fog and a bit of a murky start, beautiful. Here's a look at Lake Travis as of lunchtime, and temperatures are warming up. Many spots already in the upper 60s to near 70 degrees as those low clouds are burning off. Now, there will be some cloud cover meandering through, more sunshine out in the western hill country, but bottom line, warmth is with us. Southerly winds have kicked in, and after 2 days of high temperatures in the 60s, today I'm forecasting a high of 77 degrees. Same thing for tomorrow. That said, our next cold front is making headway, moving into the Rockies, Four Corners region, and will be pushing through central Texas tomorrow afternoon. With that front, don't count on much, if any, rain. We'll hold it at a 20% rain chance. So you'll also notice through the rest of today becoming increasingly muggy and humid. First thing tomorrow morning, it is going to be air you can wear with low temperatures only in the mid 60s. All right, that's for the cloud cover. More sunshine to the west, Mason, Burnett, Llano, Gillespie counties. More cloud cover to the east, and it may be a little bit of a struggle as we continue through the day for much sunshine. Places like Bastrop, Giddings, for instance. As we head through the overnight, clouds fill in for most of our area, and by morning, I'm expecting mainly cloudy skies and another muggy, murky start to the day. All right, so let's talk about what's ahead. First things first, it is breezy and will continue to be breezy through the overnight with southerly winds first. The cold front will push through and our winds will shift back toward the north. You can see the front starting to move into the northern hill country, parts of Mason, Llano, and Burnett counties indicated in yellow by about mid-morning tomorrow. The front shifting winds and heading through the entire hill country by about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, making it to Austin and Georgetown and into Milam County. And then the front will roll through the rest of our area by afternoon. So even into Fayette County, that front will be to our south by about 4 o'clock. At times, we'll see some gusty winds, gusting 20, 25, maybe even 30 miles per hour. So when you put it all together, this first cold front for tomorrow, not a big deal. Isolated showers, a wind shift. We'll see cooler, drier, less humid air behind it, especially on Monday. The next cold front on Thanksgiving is one that I've been watching very closely. Not kidding. Some of the computer models were putting out rather impressive flood-worthy rainfall potential totals for our area. However, as of this morning, everything seems to be trending drier with the front pushing through quicker. That is exactly what we want to see. I think the last thing anyone would want to be dealing with would be heavy rain to have to travel through on Thanksgiving Day. So looking less likely that we have to contend with that. Overnight lows into the morning hours, look at this, it's going to be balmy. 63 in Elgin, 65 in Austin, 58 in Mason. Then behind the cold front, we'll see the cooler air move in. So taking it hour by hour, cloud cover will be heavy for the early morning. Can't even discount the possibility of maybe a touch of light drizzle. Cold front pushing in. As it does so, it will bring maybe at best a stray shower. At this point, most areas will probably miss out on rain altogether. High temperatures will probably nudge close to 80 in Fayette County ahead of the front. I'm forecasting 77 in Austin. It'll be cooler off toward the western hill country where the cold front reaches first. And then we'll still see a decent amount of cloud cover through Sunday night. But by Monday, morning clouds will give way to afternoon sunshine. And I'm expecting Monday to be a fall-like crisp day yet again. So let's talk humidity. Pleasant-ish this morning, but by this afternoon and evening, well, it's going to feel muggy. And the worst of the humidity will be with us early tomorrow morning. Then the cold front pushes through. We're back to dry and refreshing air for Monday and Tuesday, but then the humidity goes up again on Wednesday ahead of our Thanksgiving cold front. As for temperatures, you'll see this up and down trend. The warmest days right ahead of each cold front, the cooler days right behind each cold front. But I am, at least for now, optimistic that the Thanksgiving front, instead of stalling over our area, may actually push through pretty quickly, paving the way for drier conditions for both Black Friday as well as Small Business Saturday. All right, temperature trend November 28th through December 4th, near average. As for rainfall, looking drier than average. So it does look like any of the rain that pushes through early on Thanksgiving Day may be pretty short-lived. So here's your revised forecast. The biggest things to note, I no longer think that Thanksgiving Day is going to be a big deal as far as heavy rain potential. I do think we could see perhaps some showers still around for the turkey trot. So just keep that in mind. High temperature on Thanksgiving Day, 69. Behind the front, cooler temperatures to wake up to on Black Friday in the 40s, and highs on Friday may be quite cool, perhaps only in the low 60s. All right, you're all caught up for now. Please tune in. Avery Tomasco will have your latest forecast updates later on CBS Austin News. Take care.